down.
Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can read the internal temperature of a Raspberry Pi CPU. Now this is a very easy way to get the temperature, but it plays a very important role because you do not know what operating conditions your Raspberry Pi will face in future. So it's always a good idea to check the temperature for its proper health. So to get the temperature you need to read this particular file, which is basically so here are the values of the temperature. You need to divide it by 1000. So like the temperature currently, the CPU temperature currently is 48, somewhere around 48 degrees Celsius. So you can obviously write a basic code for it, or you can include it in your current project to get the values of the temperature. And it's always a good idea to check the current health of your Raspberry Pi. So I guess that's all for this video, and this is way how you can get the temperature of your Raspberry Pi CPU.